Hello and welcome to the e-lectures on digital image processing using MATLAB. I, Rituraj Soni, Assistant Professor in CSC Department, Engineering College Bikaner, will tell you about the installation of the trial version of MATLAB in this lecture. The resources for these courses are the book Digital Image Processing by Rafael C. Gonzalez. Secondly, the book by same author but this time by using MATLAB. In this book, some examples of the DIP are implemented with the help of the MATLAB. Third is the NPTEL course link for DIP. Digital image processing is basically a method to perform some operation on the image in order to get an enhanced image or extract some useful information. After obtaining the information from the image, some results or analysis can be made out on that image. It is a type of signal processing in which input is an image, output may be an image or the characteristics feature associated with that image. So it forms a core research area within the engineering discipline as well as in the computer science. Now, the image processing basically involves three steps. First of all, acquiring the image with the help of the image acquisition tool. Secondly, analyzing and manipulating the image. Third, output in which the result can be an altered image or a report that is based on the image analysis. Now, the tools for digital image processing: MATLAB, a proprietary solution; GNU, Octave, Scilab, which is open source; Maxima, SageMath, and OpenCV. These are the different tools available for digital image processing. MATLAB. Since the lecture is based on the MATLAB, it is a multi-paradigm numerical computing environment and proprietary programming language developed by the company MathWorks. It allows matrix manipulation, plotting of functions and data, implementation of different algorithm, creation of user interface and interfacing with program that is written in other languages. This is one of the most powerful feature of this language, that MATLAB can be associated with the C, C++ as well as Python. That makes it a very robust language, can be run on different platforms. Now, uses of the MATLAB. It basically deals with arrays and matrix problems, plotting of the 3D and 2D objects that help in the visualization of the data, solving complex equation in algebra, analysis of the data that helps in the machine learning as well as the deep learning, communication and processing of signal in signal processing. In the field of computer vision and image processing, the processing of image and videos is carried out. In the field of electronic instrumentation, testing of different measurement devices can be performed. Now, why MATLAB? Because of the wealth of the MATLAB, large number of toolbox available that makes it very rich, that can be used for various kind of research in various kind of domains. The completion, it means the package is consistent, very neat and reliable, as it is developed by the experts and the engineer as well as from the different mathematicians. It is one of the benchmark tool which has been taught in most of the school as well as the universities. In the research fraternity, the results obtained by the MATLAB is considered to be more accurate as compared to the other contemporary image processing tools. The documentation supply with the MATLAB is very complete and professional. Moreover, MATLAB releases are tested extensively before it goes to the distribution to its user. Installation of the MATLAB. Since it's a proprietary solution, it basically requires a license file. Our college has this software for 15 users that can be accessed on the college network or college IP. Now, in the period of the lockdown due to COVID-19, it is very difficult to work on this software because it cannot be accessed through any VPN. So I am demonstrating a way out to install trial version of this software for 30 days. Now, this trial version is basically provided by the MathWorks. So there is no violation of the proprietary rights of the MathWorks. How it goes, we'll see now. First of all, the very first step is we have to log in into the site mathworks.in. Now, we have to make a login and sign up there, and when our login interface comes, we have to enter our details, login, email address as well as the password. When we sign in, a new screen appears. As we can see, a new screen appears, and here at the top right we can see Get MATLAB. When we click on it, we have three options. First of all, buy now. Buy now is basically we have to choose between standard, education, home, and other student license. We get campus software like we have got in our college. Second, we have to got a try MATLAB, that is trial version. We'll go with that because in lockdown condition we cannot access this. It is very costly as an individual or a student cannot purchase it. So better in the case of lockdown we can access this MATLAB for 30 days as a trial version. Next. So now first of all, very simple step, we have to fill our email ID, then we have to go for the I agree button, radio button, then we click submit. As we click submit, agree button, then we click on the submit. We have this particular interface that shows a large number of the tools. This is the beauty and the richness of the MATLAB. As we can see here, this is the deep learning toolbox. This is machine learning. Deep learning is the new feature, has been integrated into the MATLAB. It is very prominent for the research field. This is the basic image processing computer vision toolbox. We will install this. So we will select this and then we move further. As we move further, a pop-up menu has been come which shows how many tools we have selected. After this, we press the select and the continue and move further. This interface will come. Now this interface shows that we can install MATLAB 2020A version. It has two versions per year. This is A in the first half of the year and 2020 B will be in the second half. Now, depending on the choice of the operating system, we can select either Windows, Mac or Unix. We'll go for the Unix. Here we can see what is the system requirement for the MATLAB 2020A. Now we move further. One more thing, when you sign up for the trial version, a mail will come from the MathWorks. So this is a mail I am showing on my mail ID. Here is the mail. Now we move further. We can see the different requirement on the Windows operating system for installing MATLAB. Starting with the operating system, we have to have Windows 10 or 7 Service Pack 1. For the RAM, we should have minimum 4 GB. It is recommended 8 GB to perform better. Processor any Intel or AMD. Graphics card, if you want to perform on GPU, you need CUDA 3 at least. Disk minimum 3 GB, or for installing everything we have to have 31 GB of the disk space. So this is a requirement for Windows. Similarly, we can see on Mac or Linux that you can see if you want to install in them. Next, we move further. Now we have downloaded this. As you can see, this is the download side. We open it and then extract the file. After extracting, after clicking on the installation, we will see the Microsoft Store app will open and ask us. We can click on the install anyway and then move further. It will extract all the file into the folder. After this, the extraction file we can see, and now we can click on the setup.exe. After clicking on the setup.exe, it will again open an interface. Now this will demand the same email ID that we have given on the MathWorks website. We'll enter the password and move further. It will show some agreement kind of thing. We will say yes on it and then click on the next. Now it will show the license for us. We have to select the license as shown by it. Then move further. Now it will select the destination folder where we want to install our MATLAB. So by default C program files MATLAB, it will create a folder. If you want some other place, we can browse it and select. That is a very simple task as you do in other software installation process. Then this is the project. It means how many tools you want to select and install. They will be downloaded and installed. Next, these are the options if you want to add shortcut to the desktop or you want to send the feedback report to the MATLAB. It is shown here. Now the last one, we click it and we can confirm this our selections, and then we click on the begin install, it will install it. Now, in this way, the MATLAB can be installed on your system. Please install it, then make the optimum use of the lockdown period. In coming lecture, we will implement some example related to the course syllabus on the MATLAB. Thanks. Stay home.